Let's just get started. You're the de facto leader of our Advancing Professionals program. I know we started that not even less than a year ago. How has that evolved in the 9 months since we were together here last June?
Well, I'll tell you what, it's really been a fun project to work on. I'm engaging with our young people within ARC internally every week, which number one helped us internally with a couple of things. All of us work in different aspects with ARC, right? So one of the things that I love to catch up with everybody every week is, hey, what interesting projects are you working on? Anything new you learned? Anything you're struggling with? So we've really been kind of building this program from the ground up, really creating the framework. But it's an exciting group of young people here at ARC, and we've been talking to some of our clients, some of our attendees here. I'll tell you what, Jim, I don't know if you've noticed, but there's been a bit significantly younger crowd, in my opinion, at this forum than in June. So we're looking to capitalize on that momentum and keep driving new, younger faces to the forum moving into 2024.